Hey friends, and welcome back to my channel Lotus Geek. This video is all about fixing the Minecraft error could not connect outdated server whenever you trying to connect to a server in your Minecraft game. So without wasting time, let's go ahead and proceed. First of all, you need to open your Microsoft Store and make sure whenever I found and choose the option Minecraft, your sign in account with your Microsoft Store and with your Minecraft launcher must be same, which means the email ID in your Minecraft launcher as well as your Microsoft Store must be same as it is shown over here. I have the same email ID which I use to download Minecraft launcher and then log in with the same email ID on this Minecraft launcher. Now if email ID is same and you're still getting the error outdated server in your Minecraft, let's proceed with the next step. Here you need to click on the settings option, and if you have checkmarked the option use beta version of the launcher, you need to uncheck this option. And nextly what you need to do is to under your launcher you need to choose the installation tab, click on it, and here click on the option new installation. Same thing will be applied to the Android devices and to the iOS devices also. So here in the version type, first of all under the name give the installation any name such as Minecraft new. Now in the version tab you need to choose the version which you are trying to join on your server. For example, if your server version is 1.19, so I'll choose the option 1.19. If your version is 1.19.1, need to choose the option 1.19.1. The version of your Minecraft as well as your server must be same in order to fix out the issue could not connect outdated server in your Minecraft. Once you have chosen the same server, simply click on the create now option and then go ahead and try to play the Minecraft and again go ahead and join the server. This time you will not be encountered the error of could not connect outdated server. So this is how you can fix your Minecraft error could not connect outdated server. If this video works out for you, I request you to please click on the subscribe button and don't forget to hit the bell icon to continue receiving notifications from my channel. Thank you so much friends. Thank you for watching.